Welcome back to another English class. Today we are going to do a little role playing. We are going to continue with the the unit of healthcare. So once you open your computer and you log into Burlington English, go right here to the English in America for Beginners and log in and select Module 7, which will be healthcare, which is right here. We are in making an appointment with the doctor. And as you remember, we cover all the vocabulary. Hopefully you went over and repeated it and master a little bit of the meanings of each one of these words. So we did listening activities, we complete the role play, and now we did the reading, and now we are going to create. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So imagine you are in a doctor's office and you are asking the person, the receptionist, questions. This receptionist is asking you questions as well. There are some things that you need to be able to respond. So let's begin with listen to this receptionist, what she has to say to you. You will be this person right here. Okay, let's begin. Let's listen.
Do you need to make an appointment, Mr. Clarkson?
One more time.
Do you need to make an appointment, Mr. Clarkson?
Your options here would be
yes, the doctor wants to see me again in 5 days.
option 2 is
I must make an appointment to see the receptionist.
option 3.
We have an opening on Tuesday.
Let's read them before we choose your options. The receptionist asking you, do you need to make an appointment, Mr. Clarkson? Your options are, yes, the doctor wants to see me again in 5 days. We have an opening on Tuesday. I must make an appointment to see the receptionist. I will suggest to choose this one. Click that one, and that is the correct answer. Let's listen to the conversation.
Do you need to make an appointment, Mr. Clarkson?
Yes.
Yes, the doctor wants to see me again in 5 days.
That's correct. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's go to the next one, the next mini conversation. The receptionist says,
That's Friday, October 9th. What's a good time for you?
let's listen to that one more time.
That's Friday, October 9th. What's a good time for you?
That's Friday, October 9th. What's a good time for you? Your options are number 1,
In the afternoon.
number 2,
In 2 weeks.
or number 3.
I need to make an appointment.
Let's listen to these options one more time.
In the afternoon.
Number 2,
In 2 weeks. I need to make an appointment.
let's read those options. In 2 weeks. I need to make an appointment. In the afternoon. I will select the, if that's Friday, October 9th, she says, what's a good time for you? I believe the right answer is in the afternoon. And that's correct. Let's move on to the next one. The receptionist asking you,
How about Friday at 3?
how about Friday at 3? Your options are, listen,
That's fine. Should I enter my password? Which month?
let's listen to these options one more time.
That's fine. Should I enter my password? Which month?
Let's read these answers before we select the correct choice. How about Friday at 3 o'clock? That's fine. Should I enter my passport? Which month? I believe the correct answer is, that is fine. That's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine. Let's do the next conversation. Let's listen to the receptionist.
Okay, Mr. Clarkson. You have an appointment for Friday, October 9th at 3 in the afternoon.
Let's listen to it one more time.
Okay, Mr. Clarkson. You have an appointment for Friday, October 9th at 3 in the afternoon.
What would you answer? These are your options.
Thank you very much. Bye. I'll see you on Wednesday. Let me check.
Let's read those options. Let me check. Is that a good option? After the receptionist says, okay, Mr. Clarkson, you have an appointment for Friday, October 9th at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Let me check. Is that a correct answer? I don't believe so. I'll see you on Wednesday. No, it's not correct because it's not Wednesday, it's Friday. Or thank you very much. Bye. I believe this is the correct answer.
Let me check. I'll see you on Wednesday. Thank you very much. Bye.
And that is the correct answer. Now that we have a little bit vocabulary together, put some words together, let's try something different. Okay, in this section you will have a receptionist and there will be different questions that the receptionist will ask you. I will lead you and I will ask you to repeat with me, okay? Let's begin.
Good morning. Ryerson Clinic. Can I help you?
I'd like to make an appointment. Yes, I entered my password. Do you have questions?
So the receptionist is asking you,
Good morning. Ryerson Clinic. Can I help you?
and the options you have are,
I'd like to make an appointment.
number 1 is, I'd like to make an appointment. Number 2,
Yes, I entered my password.
yes, I enter my password. Or number 3,
Do you have questions?
do you have questions? I believe The best answer is 1. Listen to the receptionist one more time.
Good morning. Ryerson Clinic. Can I help you?
The correct answer is number 1. I'd like to make an appointment. Once we select that one, then we're going to repeat and record the same answer. I like to make an appointment. I like to make an appointment. Ta-da! That's correct. Let's go to the next one. Let's hear what the receptionist has to say.
Mornings are better for me. I want to see Dr. Black. Is he free on Monday?
Which doctor do you want an appointment with? Which doctor do you want an appointment with?
Mornings are better for me. I want to see Dr. Black. Is he free on Monday?
The receptionist is asking you with which doctor would you like to make an appointment with? Which? Which gives you an option. Which is a question word. You have what, you have where, you have when, and you have which. Which one? Which one? This one or this one? Which? Which doctor? This doctor or this doctor? Which doctor? This doctor. So you select. That's the meaning of which. In Spanish will be cuál, in Italiano cuál. Which doctor would you like an appointment with? The options were mornings are better for me. I want to see Dr. Black. Is he free on Monday? The correct answer is number 2. I want to see Dr. Black. Please repeat with me. I want to see Dr. Black. 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 Now let's record it. I want to see Dr. Black. Voila! Let's go to the next conversation. Let's hear what the receptionist have to say.
Why do you want to see Dr. Black?
Can I see him in the afternoon? My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain. I want to see him in January.
Why do you want to see Dr. Black? Why do you want to see Dr. Black?
Can I see him in the afternoon? Can I see him in the afternoon? My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain. My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain. I want to see him in January. I want to see him in January.
The receptionist is asking us, why do you want to see Dr. Black? Why? The reason why. So we have to give them the reason why needs to be seen. The doctor needs to be seen. So the options are, can I see in the afternoon? That's not the right answer. My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain. Pain. Hurts. Pain. Ouch. Ay, ay, ay. Pain. Hurts. My back hurts. The correct answer, my back hurts. I'm in a lot of